invited to the Great Wolf Lodge in Mason, Ohio for a birthday party. So here we are entering the lobby. As we walked in, we noticed the rustic decor and how big and spacious it was, and we just loved everything about it. It has a very warm and welcoming feel. All of the kids at the party were given wolf passes, so we were able to try many of the amenities at the Great Wolf Lodge, as well as the water park. Come with us and see how much fun there is to be had. So this is our Great Wolf Lodge room. I didn't do our video right when we came in like I normally do, so I cleaned up real quick. Okay, so I'm sitting out here on our balcony. We came to Great Wolf Lodge for a birthday party. I'm going to give you a little room tour. This is the balcony room. You can't see a whole lot, but on the other side from the pool you can see Kings Island, so that's really fun. So here's this side of the room. We have a little table and a TV, which you can see from the bed. Got some nice drawer space to unpack your stuff if you're staying for a while. We didn't because we're only here one night. Cute little lamp with some wildlife looking details. And I really liked this table. It's like a traveling case. And then there's little details on your bedside table. They look like lanterns, and see there's little bugs flying around on them.